Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Old time people say long run, short catch. That applies to Doujon, Griffiths. Some of you may remember 3 years ago now, time really a fly. There was a big case from Uncle Sam place. Jamaicans involved, which is obviously why we're covered. Baby dead, baby's mother dead, man get shot and injured, man get wanted, but big story. Well, the main suspect in all of this, Doujon Griffiths. Uncle Sam squadded them catch him in a Jersey. The crime take place in Florida, them catch him in a Jersey. He's been on the run this whole time. We talk about it. Before I'm going to that, special birthday shout out. A veteran of the Patreon squad. Man who we call El Stulla. Veteran of the Patreon squad. From June 2020. So you know, said that come up to 4 years now. And that's just the Patreon squad. He was with the movement even before that. So you know, so we are talking about long time veteran. Stulla, big up yourself. You know it go already. But let me tell you have some people where you don't even make no sense to say nothing here, so because we reason privately all the time. So Stulla know how I go on, but more life and brother. Enjoy yourself. Big up your family. Member. When chicken marry out then here, so have your fun, but keep your head on a swivel. So Stulla, big up yourself. More life. Speaking about life, let's talk about a life that was cut short. Real short too. Let me tell you, 1 year old. It's a tragic story. September 2021. A woman by the name of Masania, I don't know if it's Masania or Masania Malcolm. And her boyfriend get shot up. Dispute go on. All of them know each other, you know. Doujon, the boyfriend, the mother, whatever, even the girl with dead, even fear her mother. Know one of the people involved. People are linked from Jamaica and things. And one thing for people keep up their madness, but when time the innocent children them get drawn in the night, it get real ugly. Little baby girl was found dead in her car days later. That's a real tragic story. The girl mother did even start put out reward money, and the money all like go. She not stop until they find Doujon. Until somebody call her and tell her where Doujon there. Well, based on my reader say look like it was a standard police stop. When them pull him over, run him file in a Jersey, because obviously him left Florida. I know him wanted a Florida, and you know, so people that those who look for him the hardest in a Florida. So the Jersey, that's a whole different part of Uncle Sam place now. Pull him over, then run him file. Well, no, the youth this what he wanted. As they can see on your screen, grow out him here, grow a beard, so him look different. But this only work on strangers. So if you don't know somebody, and them look like how them look on the left, on the wanted poster, and you see this person on the right, it's very unlikely at a glance you're going to know that him. Very unlikely. Unless you hear them good, unless you drink carrot juice every day. But people who know you, this can't fool them. So people who know Doujon, he could have grew him here long like Bob Marley. It can't fool nobody. So enough people know when they did. Can we stop pretending here we are dealing with Iron Man people? Them they know which part him there. It's not like them find him in one deep rural part of Tennessee. It's not like them find him in one local, them village where there's hardly any Jamaicans or you go around there just be a quote unquote rednecks, and no them find him in a Jersey. Be a Jamaican, so the Jamaican communities, right, know everything what go on in every state. So them know sir Doujon that. In a 3 years, there's no way one spot in a spot him and say, you know, sir, oh, I'm that, you know, so Doujon there, him and him a stay around a carry yard. Oh, so him still want, yeah man, he still wanted man, oh, see him. Yes, I see me yesterday and I reason him and tell me, say, yo, yeah man, you look like say the case, then forget about the case, cause a long time I don't look for him. Yeah man, when I reason, man, show me a thing. I saw them later out. I know Jamaican people like the back of my hand. Them you know him there. They sheltered him. Cause them wicked like that. Even though a 1-year-old baby involved. Because they might say, well, they're not business about the woman and they're business about the man they get shot. Right, they might say, well, them figures out for them woman, they're not business. But you think they might have little something in them heart for the 1-year-old, they don't. It's my wickedest people I never see. And if you confirm said people in which part of Doujon, after I get catch, everybody start crawl out of the woodwork now, like when time cockroach a crawl out of pit toilet. Yeah man, I know them used to power around there, so yeah man, I regularly go and see man. So everybody see man, nobody never does say nothing. All of a sudden everybody can tell stories now about which part they used to see him and which part they used to jam, or which part he used to ends out. But nobody couldn't find him before. Everybody be blind before. Was he get catch now all over everybody, yeah man, around this stuff, be a testimonies. And catch him a jersey, but on a jersey. I have to deal with the case. I say in Uncle Sam place, this is what I'm telling you, so when you talk about America, you can't talk from a broad perspective. You have to first mention the state. Because that coming like, Uncle Sam place, so funny is like every single state is its own country. And have its own different style laws and everything. You have federal laws that govern the whole thing, but then you have state level things that are different. So, you have some state where woke, right? We're coming like certain places in Europe, and you have certain states where for them thing grimy. The state where one Doujon, Florida grimy. Me say them a post something with you. Say in a new woke, right? Then they change up some whole heap of laws and turn some things where used to be felonies and a misdemeanor and all kind of things that you can get bail. I kind of realize that they might try to shape Ironman to be like New York, you know, because similar gun policies, similar shaky policies when it comes down to giving bail to people who clearly need to stay behind bars. I see people who originally supported enough of the quote-unquote criminal justice reform, right? I see the same people them now, Kabbalah say, yo, change back the law because then find some people in some house where they chop up people in our basement and dismember them all kind of things and then go before the courts and get bail and gone on road. Now they must say, yo, no sir, that they reform the road, look like it gone too far, change it back. That's what happens when wokeness backfires. I see them, so they might try to shape Iron Man to be like new woke. Right? New York. But them just get any and any, even people who are clearly mass murderers just get bail and go on back a road. No care for the public safety. So, New Jersey I got extradite Doujon back to Florida. And that is when dog will name him so. Because Florida is a death penalty state. And the last thing you want is a Florida DA office. The last thing you want is a Florida prosecutor. If you have a reason to send up on death row. And 1-year-old baby dying is a good enough reason to make any jury and any judge put you on death penalty. So Doujon Griffiths, the way for him situation sticky right now, he will change his name to Henkel Griffiths. But of course, we'll see what going on when court case time come on. That little baby, tragic story. The man and the woman and the friend and all them things there. People go say, but we never know what happened. I know people always try to justify the madness. Well, suppose this thing go on and suppose. Alright, so why the reason for the baby dead then? Take the rest of them out of it. Why the reason for the baby dead? No, what them are gonna say is, yeah, but I don't like saying shot the baby, because the baby wasn't shot. And what happened is that then kill the mother. Baby and mother in a car lock up now. The little girl staying at the car with her mother until she dead and find her days later. Likely, Must have Florida. So you know, so Florida hot and humid as is. Obviously the AC wasn't running for days upon days. So that the car there would have hot like a volcano. The mother in it, dead, murdered. The baby in it, I don't know what to do with herself. I'm say baby, I mean real baby. I mean like only throw the road on. Real baby. She crawled on top of her mother. But this is after the baby would have likely see and hear everything will go down in her. In the car of her mother, she crawled on top of her mother, lie down on top of her mother and stayed there until she died. Likely the heat and asphyxiation and all kind of things. That baby would have had a very, very painful ending. That baby would have spent her final days gasping for air. Heat, the sweat, the dehydration. So him never have to shot the baby. You know have to shot no matter of fact. The way how the baby dead, worse than get shot. Lock up in a hot car and slowly fade away, slowly start get dizzy. You ever feel real heat yet? Till you hear them start shut down and you start see all stars like in a cartoon. That's how that baby would have went out, suffering. So when people say, yeah, but you never shot the baby, in terms of sufferation, the baby's ending was worse than getting shot. Every day you shoot me, when I go on, I go, and me lock up in a car for days and days and slowly fade away. Barbarism of the highest heights. And they love justify and downplay. Man. Savagery when it comes on to those who can't defend themselves. Only so they love women and children. That's the strange part in all of this. Them love tell you them love women and love children. You know what them say? Them did I protect Doujon though. Because let's say them August and him do it. Then when they for 3 years. When they for 3 years. Is that the actions of somebody where never do nothing? Yeah, man, let's go up and run for 3 years, yeah man. But I know still. You're better than me. You're not the experts. Now, of course, it's worth noting, I checked iTunes and Spotify and them place there. Doujon Griffiths don't have more than 5 tunes. So, because Doujon Griffiths is not a popular DJ, expect to hear your favorite Jamaicans call for his head. You're going to hear many people talk about him for dead, and this no trial, and then for those shot him, and then for those boy, and me I tell you boy, and oh Jesus, and oh God. You're going to say, he harmed a woman, and he harmed a child. We don't stand for that as Jamaicans, unless he was a popular entertainer, in which case, free Doujon. Remember, crime is only a prop. You must understand the people you're dealing with. Before I could make my very first video on YouTube, I had to understand the culture, the society, and who I'm dealing with. The people I'm dealing with, I know how Jamaicans operate. I know the masses go. Right. From uptown to downtown, to round the town, to no town. Crime is only a problem when it affects their family and friends. Or their favorite entertainers, people like that, people them check for. Then, we must all stop what we're doing, sing kumbaya, and burn out acidity, crime and violence and all that. But if they don't know you, if you're not famous, if you're not getting a tune, or you never put on a treat, then go suck your mama. They're in the business. Not only do they not business, but they will say free the man we kill you. The same Jamaicans who support the death and destruction, who support the acidity, the same Jamaicans who tell us say, free such man, they are going to see them same Jamaicans that tell us say, Doujon was dead because he commit crime. And he depend on the crime thing. They burn out the crime and the violence. And somehow the people who sit around and watch this under much better than on the favorite blogger them or on the favorite media people them. This is why I'm telling them to stop attaching on yourself to the PIA which is a movement. This is not your favorite channel, this is not your favorite vlogger, this is a movement. It's different around here. In every movement, in every organization, there are certain core values. There are certain code of conducts. Whether it's the JDF, JCF, whether it's the teachers, or whether it's the nurses, whether it's the firemen, whether it's the cadet, whether it's 4-H, whether it's Girls Guide, whether it's Kiwanis, every organization has certain core values and code of conduct. And if you're not aligned with that, then you go elsewhere. You can't join Kiwanis and just want to do your thing. So enough I want to know I'm going to listen to man telling himself people like Doujon must dead. Same people them only see. Celebrate. Say somebody who do 1,000 times more damage than Doujon must touch back road. And you accept this because you only care about entertainment. Now if I want to only go up on YouTube so just do something on the board. You don't actually believe in nothing or stand for nothing. You just want to watch sitting. That's why you watch everybody. Any idiot can jump on live and just sing and watch. Right? No care how stupid them sound, no care how much time them own an argument kill them. Right? You still let it. So just bracing yourself for hear what I'm gonna say about Doujon. Bracing yourself for the virtue signaling, for the stories about harming women. Anybody who harms a woman, he deserves to die. Anybody who do this to anybody who put their hand on a woman, anybody who hurts a child, you're gonna hear the speeches and you're gonna sing that like, yeah man, a real thing dog. But Doujon Griffiths, better make sure you have a good story to tell. Because for one state, you don't want to go with them type of charge upon you. It's further. Especially that innocent baby. That little girl and go and name him supper for that baby there. Make you see it turn on. Anyway, Asian Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.